How many times each day do you use an air-water syringe to deliver air, water, or mist? Whether you're rinsing away debris or optimizing the application of cements through effective drying, the fact is that virtually all dental procedures require the use of an air-water syringe, which is why syringe tips are so important. The ideal syringe tip is versatile, hygienic, single-use, easy to use, and able to provide you what you need when you need it. ProTip Turbo Air-Water Disposable Syringe Tips from Medicom give you all of this and more. As you know, CDC guidelines state that all items must be cleaned before autoclaving. What you might not realize, though, is that the reusable syringe tips, which are made from metal, pose serious cross-contamination risks. Why? Because it's really not possible to properly pre-clean the inside of these syringe tips, which means that the sterilization process will be ineffective. Take a look at these images. Would you put these reusable metal tips in your mouth? Metal syringe tips act like petri dishes, promoting cross-contamination at every turn. Their single-chamber design is subject to suckback, leading to biofilm buildup. Plus, repeated autoclaving can result in corrosion and reduced flow, and can cause the tips to deteriorate so that you get crossover between the air and water chambers. As a single-use product, ProTip Turbo is ideal for infection control. You get the convenience of having a fresh syringe tip for each patient, which, because it's brand new, is at its optimum performance level. Since there's no need to clean, package, and sterilize these syringe tips, you save precious staff time. You also avoid the problems with corrosion, biofilm buildup, oxidation, and deterioration that are commonly seen with the metal syringe tips. You'll also appreciate the way the ProTip Turbo's exclusive locking system safely secures the tip. The bayonet fitting used to attach the ProTip Turbo syringe tip to the converter ensures that the tip cannot be blown off, and also helps seal the water channel. This in turn protects your patients from accidental inhalation of the syringe tip, which, of course, can be a very serious problem. In addition, the unique two-chamber design of Medicom's ProTip Turbo disposable syringe tips gives you the perfect separation of air and water. Many dental procedures require instant, clean, dry air. Some, such as composite placement, are adversely affected if the air delivered by your syringe is contaminated with water. ProTip Turbo eliminates this problem for you. The ProTip Turbo is made up of two separate inner and outer parts, ensuring complete separation of air and water. Water flows from the central water channel of the converter through to the central channel of the ProTip Turbo syringe tip. This water channel is sealed with a silicone rubber O-ring. ProTip Turbo's design guarantees that no water enters the air channel. Push one button to make the water come out, the other for air, and press both for the misted spray. Water, air, and perfect misted spray. No matter when you use it, the air is never mixed with water. ProTip Turbo's optimum design also results in a stronger air jet than the competition. This chart shows how ProTip Turbo's air velocity outperforms other available disposable syringe tips. It's easy to switch to ProTip Turbo, since it's compatible with all syringes, all existing ProTip converters, and a wide range of other converters as well. Unlike other disposable tips that don't have converters, ProTip's high-quality converters are specifically engineered to create excellent O-ring seals to ensure dry air. Just choose your converter, knowing you'll get a perfect fit. Regardless of which converter you choose, installation is easy. First, remove the existing syringe nozzle and/or converter. Next, install the chosen converter using a standard screwdriver. Finally, push the ProTip onto the converter, then twist it while holding the outer sleeve of the converter to engage the locking feature. When the ribs are aligned, you know that your syringe tip is securely attached to the converter. Once installed, you'll be able to fully rotate the ProTip Turbo syringe tip, knowing that the air and water seals will remain intact. The tip's rounded edge design and smooth surface increases patient comfort, and as you can see, its rigid structure enables effective cheek retraction. Used by both dentists and hygienists, Medicom's ProTip Turbo gives you everything you want and need in an air and water syringe tip. As a single-use product, it protects your patients from infection. Its double-chamber design provides perfect air and water separation, giving you instant dry air free of water. ProTip Turbo's exclusive locking system ensures that your syringe tip will not come off during a procedure. Its strong, rigid structure enables effective tongue and cheek retraction without bending of the tip. And it fits all syringes and a wide range of converters. In summary, Medicom's ProTip Turbo disposable syringe tip brings air and water to life.